pelajar Akademi Seni Sky. Saya lahir di Jepun tapi sudah tinggal di Malaysia sejak kecil lagi. Oh, saya suka sambal belacan. Tiba-tiba pula. Hari tu, kecoh dekat akademi tentang audition untuk jadi VTuber Sky TV. Saya pun, apa lagi? Tak naklah lepaskan peluang keemasan ni kan? Sebab itulah saya hantar tape audition ni. Saya harap saya boleh berkongsi info mengenai negara Jepun dan negara Malaysia kepada ramai orang melalui Sky TV. Jadi, silalah pilih saya sebagai VTuber Sky TV dengan klik butang thumbs up, ya? Okey, itu saja. Terima kasih korang. Hi guys, nice to meet you. I'm HITOMI, a student of Sky Art Academy. I was born in Japan but have been living in Malaysia since I was little. Oh, I love sambal belacan. Hontou ni daisuki desu. Sorry, that's kind of exaggerate, isn't it? Well, it was busy the other day about an audition to be VTuber of Sky TV. So I was like, okay, let's go, let's do this. Because I don't want to miss this opportunity. And that's why I'm sending this audition tape. I hope I can share more interesting information about Japan and Malaysia to the world through Sky TV. So, onegaishimasu. Please choose me to be VTuber of Sky TV by clicking the thumbs up button. Yay! That's all. Thanks, guys.